Have the students decide whether or not each statement is true. The movement of a rocket is opposite the direction of the gases being forced out of the rocket. Rockets can travel better and faster through space where there is no air. Both statements are true. This lesson should help them to understand why they are true. A student will lay a pencil on the table in front of them and blow on it. They will describe what the pencil does and tell what moved it. Students will inflate a balloon but not tie it. They will predict what will happen when they let go of the balloon, then release it and observe its movement. They will push a string or fishing line through a straw and tie both ends to a stationary object in the room. They will then tape an untied, inflated balloon to the straw. They should predict what will happen when the balloon is released, then observe what happens. They can repeat the activity, inflating the balloon with more air or less air.